we are going to learn about the grammar of FUTO. The grammar of FUTO is mean suddenly, accidentally, unexpectedly, unintentionally. And when you use the FUTO grammar, you can use FUTO and followed by some action. Whatever you can use for the action that happen. But the FUTO means that something that happens suddenly or accidentally or something that you never expect before that it will happen or it will occurs. So in that case, you can use FUTO and plus by some action or some situation. So the next, let's go to see some example to make more understand about how to use the grammar of FUTO. First, FUTO 町で彼に会った。FUTO 町で彼に会った。Which means I met him in the street by chance. I met him in the street by chance. You see that after FUTO is machi, right? Machi is the street, right? Or is the town. So you can use FUTO plus noun, right? Or some action. Some action is mean machi de kare ni atta. That is the situation that happened. You never expect that you will meet her or meet him. You met him. But sometimes by chance you meet. So you can use FUTO 町で彼に会った。財布がないのにふと気がついた。財布がないのにふと気がついた。He suddenly realized he had lost his wallet. He suddenly realized he had lost his wallet. For this sentence, 封筒がないのに封筒、財布がないのに封筒が気がついた。It means that you don't have a wallet, but you can sometimes you can feel that you lost your wallet, right? So in this situation, you can use for that because you never expect, right? It's suddenly that you think from your heart, your mind. So you can use FUTO 気がついた。The next, 学校に行く途中、ふと今日は母の誕生日だったことを思い出した。学校に行く途中、ふと今日は母の誕生日だったことを思い出した。Which means on my way to school, I suddenly remembered that today was my mother's birthday. On my way to school, I suddenly remembered that today was my mother's birthday. Actually, you don't remind that today, what is that, right? You just say Monday, Friday, something like this. But sometimes, by chance, you can remember. Sometimes it take out from your mind, your brain, that today is your mother's birthday. So you can use a FUTO 今日は母の誕生日だった。That you never expect that you think something like that, right? You never expect that some idea like that will happen suddenly with you. So you can use a FUTO 今日は母の誕生日だったことを思い出した。The next, 私はあの店で珍しいものをふと見つけた。私はあの店で珍しいものをふと見つけた。This means I came across a rare item at that store. I came across a rare item at that store. This means that we say that mezurashi mono o futo mitsuketa. That means you meet something or you found something at that store by chance because you never expect or you have never expect that you will found something at that store. So mezurashi means strange, right? Rarely that's some strange or something that you is not actually. So you can say mise de mezurashi mono o futo mitsuketa. That means you found something that store by chance. Thank you very much for watching my video clip, and please help me subscribe my channel if you haven't. I hope to see you about learning Japanese in the next time. ありがとうございました。